literally what I'm doing now.
Okay.
Little checks, receive, shift, shoot.
Okay.
Just quick movements. Because in a game, that's all it is. It's shift, shoot. You don't get a lot of time.
Okay.
Especially around this area. It's very compact.
So then if you didn't have anyone with you, would you just set out a cone?
Yeah,
boom,
sure.
and then-
I'd put a cone here, pretend it's a defender. Let me move this way, then move this way. So I try and make it game related all the time. Never do it like in slow motion or like sluggish.
Right.
Because when you come to a game,
Then
it's
you're
not
gonna
the
be
same.
flush.
Yeah, you're not going to be as sharp. So everything I do in training, I try and make it game related all the time. People there, whether it's just mannequins, whether it's cones or whatever it is, try and make it game related. And I don't care if you're shooting there, that's training.